What is the largest odd number that is factor of 740? So first, what we have to do, we have to write our number as a product of prime factors. What is prime factor? Prime factor is natural number larger than 1 whose only natural factors are itself and 1. So first we need to find the factors of our number. How we do this? On the left side of our table we have to write 740. And first prime factor, because we have 0 at the end, it means that this number we can divide by 2. 2 is first factor, prime factor. So 740 divided by 2 is 370. On the left we write the answer for division. 370, 0 at the end. So again we can divide by 2. 2 is prime factor. 370 divided by 2 is 185. Now 185 we cannot divide by 2 because 5 is at the end, so 3 is next prime factor, but we can divide by 3 when the sum of digits is divisible by 3. We have 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3, so 3 we cannot divide by 3. Next prime factor is 5. 5 is on the end, so we can divide this number, of course, by 5. 185 divided by 5 is 37. We can divide 37 only by 37. 37 is prime factor. 37 divided by 37 is 1. So we finish division. So now on the right side we have factors, prime factors of our number. So 2, 2, 5, 37. We have to find the largest odd number. So what we will do? We will choose only odd numbers, 5 and 37 odd. And we have to multiply these two odd prime factors. So 5 times 37, this is equal 185. So this is the largest odd number that is factor of 740.